Hello everyone, welcome back to Unbox Grid. Today we are looking at how to restart an iPhone. So in iPhone it's not like Android wherein you get a restart procedure or a restart button. So let's see how it's done. So this is iPhone 15 and the procedure remains the same almost for all iPhones. So now to first restart the phone you need to shut it down. So let's see how it's done. So to shut it down you need to use the volume key, which is the up volume key or the down volume key, and the power button. In the volume keys you can use either one of them. So for this demonstration I'm going to use the up volume key like this. I have not pressed it as of now, and the power button. Press both of them together and now slide the toggle button of power on the right hand side, and you can figure out from here my phone is now shut down or powered off. Now to restart it you just need to press the power button again and you should see an Apple logo. I think I did not press it properly. Yes, you can see the Apple logo now, waiting for it to get restarted. And mind well, once the phone gets restarted you need to unlock it with the passcode, and only then it will allow you to unlock via the face unlock. So let me enter my password, and now the phone is unlocked, and now you can use it to unlock via face. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.